Hello and welcome to CKE 10001's gaming channel. In this video we'll be unboxing Weiss Schwarz Sword Art Online trial deck. So here's the front of the box, the sides, and the back. So now we'll take a look inside. And over here. And on this side. So we'll pop open like this. Oh, if you're wondering about the background, it's the online store I ordered it from, cartamagica.com. They have a lot of neat stuff, so you can check it out if you want to. And let's see, we'll look at the playbook and stuff first. Put this off to the side. So here's the playbook. The quick start guide. It's changed from it's different from last time. It has the Sword Art Online characters on it now. And the Weiss Schwarz playmat. Here are the cards. I'll take off that plastic. Okay. We have Kirito and Asuna card. Then we have two of these cards. Four of these cards. Two of these. Two of these. Two of these. Climax cards. Two of these. Four of these. Four of these. Four of these. Four of these. Two of these. Two. Four of these. Two of these. We have lead group Asuna, lead group Kirito, beater Kirito, two of them, and then this card, and four of these. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.